we are, should be coming up on the screen. Yesterday we started page 82 and 83. We had the words final and destroy. You guys just need to make sure you grab your books the minute you walk in. Let's see here. I don't know. What's that? What was due on Monday? It was your weekend and goals, or your. You'll have to look back. I'm not sure.
Christmas break.
It was probably. Yesterday we did page 82, right?
I think this might be yours because I found this inside.
Okay, so all right, so we got page 82, 83. We did page 82 yesterday, right? Where we turned in the word final and destroy. Okay, I want you guys to follow along with me. I'm going to read this again, okay? This is an old folk tale between rain and fire, right? Okay, so they actually use rain and fire as characters in this story. Okay, everybody with me? Page 82? Okay, we're there. Okay. We're there. Okay. Okay. It says, long ago, rain and fire had an argument. Okay, so right there, that tells us that rain and fire are two different characters, right? They're portraying rain and fire as people, right? Each claimed to be more powerful than the other. They argued for days. Finally, they decided to have a contest to determine the more powerful. They asked the people of the village to judge it. Rain boasted that he would be the winner. Fire was sure that he would defeat Rain. The day of the contest arrived. First, fire burned the forest. He torched the houses in the village. He destroyed the grasslands. Animals ran in fear. Fire kept blazing. He scorched the farmland. Everyone cheered and agreed that fire was powerful. As they ran away, the people sang. Fire is bright. Fire is strong. Fire eats everything in its path. No one can defeat fire. Suddenly the sun disappeared. Dark clouds gathered above the burning farmland. A thunderstorm boomed. Then heavy rain fell from the sky. Soon the farmland stopped burning. The scorched earth drank up the rainwater. The grass and plants grew green and healthy again. Animals looked upward in awe. The people of the village sang a new song. Rain is falling. Rain is mighty. Rain soaks all in its path. Who can defeat rain? I can, fire roared. He began again. He roared higher and higher. He flamed brighter and brighter. But again, rain fell in torrents. What do you think torrents means? Do you think it means like in a little bit or in a lot? Probably just like, you know those rainstorms where you look out the window and it looks like the rain is a wave almost, like it's waving, because you can see like the wind's blowing it and it will looks like a sprinkler almost spraying, right? That's how I imagine torrents. Okay, that's kind of what I imagine with that. The rainwater put out fire's flames. The people of the village ran for cover. When at last the rainfall stopped, they came out. Now the people sang a final song. Fire is strong. Rain is stronger. Fire burns, but rain heals. Rain is more powerful than fire. Okay. All right, so now we need to fill in these blanks. How do rain and fire demonstrate their power? This is on page 83. How do rain and fire demonstrate their power? Fire shows its power by doing what?
Bad things.
Huh?
Bad things like burning the forest and killing them.
Okay.
But wait, also burnt things can also help the dirt in the ground be fertile.
But what does it still need? What does that ground still need?
Water needs water.
Right. Okay, so in my mind, when I think of fire just tearing something down, it's almost like a violent act, right? But when I think of rain, it's almost, they use the word healing, right? Okay, so fire shows its power by destroying, right? By destroying things. Does that make sense? What were you guys putting?
On fire, I said to ruin stuff.
Okay.
Stuff.
Yeah.
And on rain, I'm putting to heal stuff.
Okay, very good. Fire he's putting to burn and to destroy and to ruin stuff. Okay, rain shows its power by being by by healing, right?
I changed the a little bit because I didn't want it to be the same.
Okay, cool. What would you use?
I said rain shows its power by healing and helping growth.
Very good. Okay, good. All right, now down in the next question it says to identify central idea and details. Write a sentence explaining who wins the contest and why. Underline 2 details from the text to support your answer. Okay? To you guys, who's the winner?
Rain.
You think rain is?
Yeah, but they say that rain is more powerful than fire, so which makes me think that rain is the winner.
Okay.
Because who would let fire win if they burn down their home? Yeah.
Right. Okay, so you need to fill it in. The winner is blank. Okay, and then you need to explain you need to explain it. Why? Why does rain win or why does fire win? And then you need to go underline a couple spots in the book so like you just use the example, rain is more powerful than fire. You need to underline that. The people of the village ran for cover. When at last the rainfall stopped, they came out. Now the people sang a final song. Another detail could be, but again, rain fell in torrents. The rainwater put out the fire's flames. Okay, those are examples of how it's stronger, right? Okay, all right. Just make sure that you have those things. RAIN. RAIN. Yes. Okay, so you mean at the bottom in the purple section? Yeah, we will.
But also rain, like he kind of has power, weather power.
Okay.
So he can also cause hurricanes.
Okay. Okay, so we've got that part. Now in the purple section, find 2 compound words in paragraph 3. Draw a line to split each into 2 words. Write 2 words and meanings in the box. Okay, so all right, so rainwater. Okay. So that's a compound word, right? Do you guys know what a compound word is? Basketball is a compound word. Can I split basketball into 2 different words? Basket and ball, right? Okay, so a compound word is when you take 2 words and you join them together. They use the word rainwater, right? Okay, so the meaning of rainwater is water that falls as rain. We need to find 2 more compound words in this little section that we just read. Can you guys see any as you just look, as you browse through? What did you say, Kyson? Huh? You used a word. You said rainwater, and then you said what else? I thought I heard you say a word. No? Okay. Can you guys find another compound word in there? Farmland. Yep, farmland. So write on number 2, write farmland. Okay? And then you need to put the meaning of it right there. Thunderstorm. That's what I thought I heard you say earlier. You can use farmland. Yeah. Farmland and then thunderstorm. Okay? Those are both two separate compound words. Okay? All right, then you need to write the definition. What do you think farmland is? Land that can grow crops. Over here underneath the meaning. You should write the word right here. Okay. There are? What did they? That's weird that I don't have them in mind. They already, okay, so they use farmland and thunderstorm. So you just have to write the definition over here. Okay, so farmland is like land that can grow crops, right? Land used for growing crops. Okay. The other one, thunderstorm, is what would be a good definition for that? A storm that has a lot of thunder and rain, right? Yep. Okay. All right, you guys good with that? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and get it uploaded. I need to get a spot for you guys to turn in page 83, but today it will be just 80.